Hey juniors, today is Thursday, October 23rd, and today we are going to continue reading our book, The Omnivore's Dilemma by Michael Pollan. So let's take out your guided practice worksheets and get started. First thing we're going to do is talk about our objective. Our objective today is I can identify how individuals and events influence each other in a nonfiction text. So we're talking about how one thing can cause an effect in another. So, for example, if you have the corn prices rising, then fewer people are going to buy the corn. However, if you have corn prices dropping, the influence it has is that more people are going to buy corn. So, first thing I want you to do is give me a synonym for influence. That's right, a synonym for influence can be effect. There can be a whole bunch of other synonyms too. You can say it causes, things like that. So just remember that when you read influence on your benchmark and on your next MLQ as well. So yesterday we mainly talked about corn and life on an individual farm. Today we're going to continue with chapter 2. However, we are going to be talking about mainly genetically modified organisms. So when you see the term GMO, I want you to remember that we're talking about genetically modified organisms. That means that scientists can inject seeds with certain genes from other organisms. The example you're going to see in your video is of strawberries. Usually strawberries need to grow in rather warm places, but they started to grow strawberries in cold places by injecting the strawberry seeds with genes from a fish, actually, that lives in cold water. Some people do not like to grow genetically modified organisms because they say it's messing with the natural order of things. It's not natural. It's not what would actually occur on its own. But you'll see that a lot of foods now are genetically modified. So go ahead and switch to your next video, which is a cartoon version of a story that talks about GMOs and gives you a lot of information for our chapter today. Go ahead and get started.